Hello, my name is Ryan Kessel, your Tampa Bay new construction and lagoon specialist, and we're at Dreamfinder Homes about to tour their Manatee floor plan. This is a townhome, but it's a one level, so it's going to feel like a villa. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage, 1,433 square feet. Let's go check it out. So the Manatee is going to be the outside unit. So you have this sidewalk in, but we have a side entry here. As you walk in, it's a wide open concept. So you have your kitchen. We got a quartz island here with a breakfast bar, nice 42-inch white cabinetry. Off your kitchen, you have your living space here. You have room for a dining room table, and then all this opens up to a covered patio. Now we're gonna head into the owner suite. Again, this is on the ground level. This is in the back of the home. And again, this is all on the main level. This floor plan is a 1-story townhome. So again, it's gonna feel like a villa. You got beautiful tray ceilings, crown molding, and check out this bathroom. Quartz countertops, dual sinks. We got a big glass enclosed walk-in shower here and a walk-in closet. Now let's go check out the rest of the home. Right, and we're gonna head back towards the front of the house. So your secondary bedrooms right off the front door. Come in. They have it set up as like a guest room with a day bed, a little desk here. You got a closet. We're gonna go check out the 3rd bedroom. I'm gonna make a left here. This hooks around. We got a full secondary bathroom here. So this will service the other 2 bedrooms. We have a tub shower combo here. Vanity with quartz countertop. The 3rd bedroom's in the very front of the home on this side. Huge windows bringing in a lot of natural light. We're just gonna head back around here. We're gonna come back outside. If you're interested in this floor plan or Seaire, give me a call, 813-587-2424. Please remember, I could help you with any builder, new home community, or resale home. Please like and subscribe for more videos on Seaire.